Hi, in this video I'm just going to show you how you can actually integrate JotForm with Google Sheets. So this was the form I just created using JotForm. And to integrate JotForm with Google Sheets, all you have to do is first you need to click this settings, and in the left side you can able to see an option called integrations. Click this integrations. Then it will take you to this particular page, and here you can able to see Google Sheets. If it was not visible here or anywhere, you can search Google Sheets by using this search tab. Now I am clicking this Google Sheets. Now you will be taken to this particular page and click add new action, and you can able to see two actions. One is add row to new spreadsheet, another one is add row to existing spreadsheet. Now in our case we are going to add the data to the new spreadsheet, so we're gonna click this one and click next. And here we need to enter our email ID and authenticate. If you would like to create or add another email ID by clicking use another account, you can add your email ID which you would like. It is pretty much easy to add your email ID here. Now it's time to authenticate. By clicking authenticate, we have been authenticated our email ID, and then we'll be taken to this particular page, and we're gonna click save. And here is the Google Sheets link. By clicking this, it will take you to the Google Sheets. So now you can able to see that the complete Google Sheets. So now I'm going to show you how once we enter the data, how it is going to be updated in this Google Sheet. By copy this link. So this is actually the form link. I'm just placing in a new tab. So here is our form. I'm just going to enter a few details of mine. I'm gonna submit this. Now our form has been submitted successfully. Now we're gonna see whether this particular form data has been updated in Google Sheets. We're gonna refresh this. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds. So refresh again. Yeah. Look at this. Our data, our form data has been updated inside Google Sheets successfully. So this is how you can actually integrate JotForm with Google Sheets. So if you would like to use JotForm, there is a link in the description, and that was an affiliate link. So thanks for watching this video.